Hey guys, so tonight on Garage Time, we're back. We're starting assembly. So what we've done is gone ahead and primed everything on the bus. Name of that game was just Seal and Protect, right? So we're just primering, sealing, getting it ready to have some fun this summer. So that's all been done. It's been cleaned up. Starting to put back in the windows. Now, you know, the world's crazy right now with everything that's going on with the coronavirus. So hopefully I'm going to stay in frame. Sean did not come over. We are self-isolating right now. So I am, got you set up on a tripod. Hopefully you're in view, and this one will be fairly quick, but I'm just going to demonstrate how I put in windows. The old classic Volkswagen windows. I will show you. Gone through the hardest on my fingers I find is actually putting the rubber on the window. So I've got them all geared up here. Unfortunately, we won't be able to finish this job. One of our windows was broken. This set all came from Grumpy's Metal. We went for the green, for the original tinted, which I'm fair skinned. I had one of these as a teenager. Driving in the front seat, that front window, the sun really bakes down on you, so I wanted the tint. So we'll have to reach out to those guys and get another one, so I will only be able to get 7 done. But anyhow, I'm showing you how I go about it. So first things first, I put some Dawn dish soap in a bowl with some water, and I just, well, get it nice and wet and slippery. I do it both on the frame and on the rubber just to help it slide in. And now I will do the rubber. I've got electronics there. I'm just going to move over a bit. Get this all wet. I would definitely say I'm out of frame there. Maybe it will work. Anyhow, I'm just putting it on my fingers and wiping it around. It makes a bit of a mess, but I will clean it on the windows after. And basically you're just trying to push the window in. And second of all, you need to pull this. There's a rubber flange that will go around this flange, right? So in this case, I used just an electrical wire. You tucked it in all the way around, and then I overlapped the wire a bit. I start in the middle, right? I don't want this to end at a corner somewhere weird, because as you're pulling it, you kind of want to go, well, let me show you. I'm starting at the bottom. I prefer to start at the bottom. I don't really have a rhyme or reason over that. Okay, so I kind of get it in place there a bit. And from the inside, this rubber is pushed up against that flange. Now these windows are pretty small, so you can do it yourself. So while I'm applying pressure to the bottom, put on a glove where I started those wires. You just pull, and you pull that wire up and over so that the rubber is seating itself over that flange. Now before I get into a corner, I make sure I get it centered properly, right? So I go both ways. So I'm almost in that corner, so I'm just gonna go around that corner a bit. Then do this corner. So if I was a little bit off there, that will help. Keep applying pressure. So I've gone up to the top corner. And you're best to pull the wire like perpendicular to the metal flange as you go around. So here you see I want to pull like that. I don't want to pull like this. It ends up marking your rubber on you. So you don't want to do that. And pull it down. Okay, so we're getting there. And most windows you would, or at least I have always done it with two guys. One on the outside pushing, and one on the inside. One on the inside pulling the rubber. Okay, so that one is essentially seated. I'm going to come grab the camera. I'll give you a shot from the inside. Excuse me. So I'll do that. And again, sorry for the footage there, how we're kind of jumping, but as I said, we're taking protective measures here and self-isolating. So yeah, there's the inside. Here's the other one I did, but you can see how the rubber has seated. So that's that. That is how you install your classic window rubbers in the Volkswagen bus. Got another 5 here I can do, so I'm gonna go ahead and do those, and yeah, we'll reach out to you guys again soon. Hopefully next time the quality's a little better and Sean's here to help. Thanks for watching.